Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today is 13 years on a plant-based diet, what I eat in a day. So I'm just gonna simply show you what I'm having today. And right now it's about 1:45 p.m. Now at 1 p.m. I did start off with a can of this Tropical Gold pineapple. I didn't record it, but this is what I started off with. This is a 20-ounce can of Tropical Gold pineapple. Of course, I prefer just eating fresh pineapple, but when I don't have that in, and sometimes I feel like pineapple, I get these cans of Tropical Gold pineapple. And I recommend, if you are gonna have canned pineapple, to check this one out. It is super delicious. It's really sweet and tasty, and it's just pineapple and pineapple juice. So I had that at 1 p.m. as my first meal. That's normal for me. I generally fast throughout the morning. I just drink water throughout the morning and then have my first meal generally around 1 p.m. Now today I did do a workout today, but it was not strength training because I did strength training yesterday. So today was cardio. And on my lunch break, I grabbed my mountain bike and I rode down to the river nearby, the Deschutes River, and I did about a 2-mile run, and then I rode my mountain bike home. So that was my workout today, and I did that at about 11 a.m. And like I said, now it's 1:45, and I'm making oatmeal. So this is sort of the second thing I'm eating today after the pineapple. So I just cooked up 1 cup of organic rolled oats. It was a cup, so it was like 2 servings basically. And here's what I'm going to add to it. I have about a 1/3 cup of raw pecans. So these pecans I get from Trader Joe's. They're just unroasted and unsalted pecans. I just prefer the taste and style there. And I've tried some different nuts and seeds in my oatmeal, and I like pecans the most. That's my first choice. Although I do use different things. Sometimes I do chia seeds in them. Sometimes I do walnuts. You can do almonds, whatever, but pecans are my favorite. I'm also gonna add in some of these dried sweetened cherries. Now these are from Costco. So it's a good deal, and they're my favorite dried cherries. I've tried different brands of dried cherries, and these Kirkland brand from Costco, I think these are great. So I'm gonna use about a 1/3 cup of those. Hi, Blackberry. And this is Blackberry. She loves pineapple, so she had some of that. Okay, so I'm gonna mix the dried cherries in. And next up, I have some cacao powder. This is just raw cacao powder. I'm gonna do like a big tablespoonful. It's probably more like closer to 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna mix that in. Haven't had oatmeal in a while. I was doing lots of smoothies, things like green juice and stuff, so I haven't had oatmeal in, I feel like it's been several weeks. Oh no, I did have it one day recently. But besides that, I've only had it once in the last, probably, I don't know, a long time. And I have some ground cinnamon. Sprinkle that on, just a little dash of cinnamon. Stir this in. Okay, next up is fruit. So I have fresh blueberries, fresh strawberries, and a banana. I just cut all that up. Ooh, this is gonna be a big oatmeal. This is gonna take a while to eat. Okay, so there we go. I got the dried cherries, I got the pecans, I got the cacao powder, the cinnamon, the blueberries, the strawberries, the bananas, and that's it. So now I have some almond milk, and this one is good. It's Califia Farms organic almond milk, unsweetened. The good thing about this one is, well, not only does it taste good, but there's only 3 ingredients. So it's almonds, water, and sea salt. So this is the one I buy now because I'm too lazy to make it myself. Not lazy, just busy. Other things I'd rather do than make my own almond milk. So here we go. Splash some of that on. This is a super filling, really tasty oatmeal. I don't think I've done this combination with the blueberries and strawberries. Normally I'll just do like blueberries and banana, or like one or the other, or sometimes just blueberries, but this is like the blueberries, bananas, and strawberries. So there we go, mix that up. So I'm gonna be eating this while I get back to work. This is gonna take me a while, and I'll be back in a little bit with what I'm having next. All right, next up at 6 p.m., I put together a big salad. It had mixed greens. I had cucumber, avocado, apple, and tomato. Then at 7 p.m., I had this veggie tofu stir fry. It had onions and carrots. I had tofu, had some green onions, this coconut curry sauce, and vegetable broth. And there it is. I had it over rice, and I had 2 bowls of that. I had a little bit of broccoli on the side. I had some of these baked chips and prunes with that as well. So that was the dinner. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. And I hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.